Hi everyone, and welcome to our brand new HVAC Direct store. My name's Josh from HVAC Direct, and as you can see, we've got a brand new shop here, open and ready to go for the public. Alright guys, let's see what we've got today. A range of HVAC vac pumps, gauges. We also stock our classic Whipcool brand. That's a massive seller for us, including vacuum pumps, recovery machines, gauges, flaring tools, vac stats, general HVAC tools, and whatever you could possibly want on an install. Coming down here, we also stock the other reputable brands like Fieldpiece, Testo, and Infocon. And down to our range of Infocon leak detectors. These leak detectors are prime, top of the market. We stock them all in-house, and we also have in-house technicians who are Infocon certified. We stock everything you could possibly need for a brand new install, including roof brackets, wall brackets, our entirely new range of ducts, including elbows, T-pieces, and flexi duct, alongside things like condenser feet, as well as your more electrical side. We also stock our range of isolation switches, extra coil, and ISO brackets as well. And here at our brand new HVAC Direct store, we also stock our Whipcool condensate pump range, as well as steam cleaners, our backpack sprayers, including the C10BW, one of our most popular products, and chiller tube cleaners, as well as aircon refrigeration hoods for when you need to clean those pesky indoor heads on aircons. We've also got a full range of aircon cleaning chemicals from Viper, powerful coil cleaners, disinfectants, and more to keep systems running fresh and efficient. And for diagnostics, check out our HIC Micro thermal cameras, helping technicians quickly spot hotspots, airflow issues, and hidden problems. And what you just saw is just a glimpse of what we have here at HVAC Direct. Let's go take a look at the warehouse. Our brand new store is located in Melbourne, and you can visit our online store at hvacdirect.com.au. We ship nationwide, but if you're in the Melbourne area, feel free to come on down and have a look.